Mr. Patil, looking at all the opportunities mentioned in the white paper, are there certain opportunities which you are most interested in where L&T will be investing heavily in over the next 5 to 10 year period?
Parikshit, in fact, as you know, Larsen & Toubro is a partner to ISRO for now exactly 52 years. We are one of those oldest who started this relationship, and must compliment Dr. Somnath and the whole team for making us proud. Of course, a whole lot of us build a lot of hardware. Now, going forward with this paper and the amount of handholding and kind of support that is coming out of space, we are looking forward to growing out of different segments that we concentrated primarily on the upstream side. We always focused right from building raw material to creating the rockets, rather the rocket motors, and the varieties of structures. We are now gradually moving, and that's where, thanks to ISRO and the handholding, we are already at SHAR integrating the systems along with ISRO supporting them on that, so that sooner or later, let's say about a year down the line, rather not a year, I would say about 8 months down the line, when our own launch vehicle we start putting up, we are able to do that integration ourselves. Again, some amount of handholding and support from ISRO. Now, extending this to sort of building the model for future, when we start looking at next couple of years down the line, there's someone who is looking at providing a service of picking up a satellite while we build an enormous amount of satellite hardware ourselves, but picking up a satellite to begin with and placing it anywhere in the space at a designated slot. And of course, thereafter, creating a communication link to reach on Earth. We also built a lot of ISRO's existing GSAT terminals on ground. And that's where that capability from Larsen & Toubro can be, from launch of a satellite, building varieties of satellite hardware to launch to taking the data down on the Earth. Of course, the varieties of tracking, life maintenance of the system in the sky. Those aspects we already are capable of, and that's something we again did over the years for ISRO, and that's what will continue.
Okay.
So I would say scale up of what we are doing, extending both backward and forward, and to the extent of now enhancing. So investment aspect, if you really ask me, it's now from subcomponents and systems to complete system of systems, and taking care of end-to-end services is where we are going to put in money. Also scaling up from current scale, what we are talking about 8, 9, 10 launches a year to about 25, 30 launches a year kind of a capability within the next couple of years.